Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to unblock someone on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, it really helps me out. So I'm going to my own profile in the right corner. And then as you can see, I'm on my profile right now. I'm scrolling down till I see settings and privacy. Click on that and then click again on settings on the top. So here I'm gonna look for something that says audience, but sometimes it's very hard to find. So what you can do is you can click on this button and search for block. Then you see blocking, click on it. And as you can see here are all the people you've blocked. And so you can see I haven't blocked anyone yet. So I can add someone to the blocked list, just type in their name of a person or a company and I will block them. And if I have blocked someone, I can see their name over here stated. I can click on their name and then I can choose for cancel my request or unblock them, and I just can click on unblock them. So that's the solution. Please be aware that if you unblock someone, you can't block them for another 48 hours. So if you want to see something on their page, because you block them, be aware you can't block them for another 48 hours or 2 days. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.